Homeowners in Richland Hills know that North Texas weather can be unpredictable. Scorching summers, chilly winter nights, and sudden temperature swings can put a heavy strain on your home's heating and cooling system. If your energy bills seem to climb higher every year, your windows may be part of the problem. Replacing outdated, inefficient windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce utility costs while improving year-round comfort. The hidden cost of old windows. Many homes in Richland Hills still have original windows that were installed decades ago. Over time, seals weaken, frames warp, and glass loses its insulating performance. Even small gaps around the frame can allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to creep in. When cool air leaks out during summer, your air conditioner has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In winter, heated air slips out just as easily. This constant strain leads to longer HVAC run times and higher monthly energy bills. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows helps eliminate these leaks and reduces the workload on your heating and cooling system. Improved insulation for year-round savings. Today's replacement windows are designed with advanced insulating technology. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames dramatically reduce heat transfer. In the summer, low-E coatings reflect heat away from your home, keeping indoor temperatures more stable. In the winter, those same coatings help retain interior warmth. The result is less reliance on air conditioning and heating systems, two of the biggest energy consumers in any household. For homeowners in Richland Hills, where summer temperatures frequently climb into the 90s and beyond, this added insulation can make a noticeable difference in monthly cooling costs. Reduced air leakage. Drafty windows are more than just uncomfortable, they're expensive. Even small cracks or poorly sealed frames can lead to significant energy loss over time. Professional window replacement ensures a precise fit and proper sealing, preventing unwanted airflow. Modern weather stripping and improved installation techniques create an airtight barrier that keeps conditioned air inside where it belongs. By minimizing air leakage, you maintain a consistent indoor temperature without constantly adjusting the thermostat, saving money month after month. Lower HVAC wear and tear. When your HVAC system runs continuously to compensate for inefficient windows, it doesn't just increase your utility bills, it also accelerates wear and tear. Frequent cycling can lead to costly repairs or even early system replacement. Energy-efficient windows reduce temperature fluctuations inside your home. This allows your HVAC system to operate more efficiently and with less strain. Over time, that can mean fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, and a longer lifespan for your equipment. In addition to saving on energy bills, you're also protecting one of your home's most valuable systems. Enhanced comfort adds value. While the financial savings are important, improved comfort is often the first thing homeowners notice after replacing their windows. Rooms that once felt hot and stuffy in summer or drafty in winter become more comfortable and usable year-round. Better insulation also reduces outside noise, which is a welcome benefit in busy neighborhoods or near high-traffic roads in Richland Hills. The combination of energy efficiency, comfort, and noise reduction adds long-term value to your home. If you ever decide to sell, energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to buyers who are looking for lower operating costs and modern features. A smart investment for Richland Hills homeowners. Window replacement is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a strategic investment in your home's efficiency. While there is an upfront cost, many homeowners find that the long-term energy savings help offset the expense. Depending on the condition of your current windows, the reduction in utility bills can be significant. With North Texas weather placing heavy demands on HVAC systems, energy-efficient windows offer practical protection against rising energy costs. By improving insulation, reducing air leaks, and easing the workload on heating and cooling equipment, replacement windows deliver measurable savings. For homeowners in Richland Hills who want lower utility bills, improved comfort, and greater home value, Upgrading your windows is a smart and lasting solution.